Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily reopen recently closed tabs in Safari web browser. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Safari web browser. And now, in order to quickly reopen recently closed tabs, you should tap right here at that two rectangles icon that shows you all currently open tabs, and right here you can easily find that plus sign. You can just hold down on that icon and that shows you all your recently closed tabs. So in that way you can scroll down through that kind of browser history, and then if you want you can hit at any of them to open up that recently closed website. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Safari tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.